Hey, what's up guys? All Handmade here. Today I have for you two really interesting multi-detectors. The first one is this Bosch Professional GMS 120. It costs 100 euros. And the second one is this Parkside multi-detector. It costs only 25 euros, so 4 times cheaper. The idea for today's video is to do some tests with them and see if really the Bosch is worth its price. So here I have this wooden beam, this metal profile, and this Italian floor tile that will represent my wall. I will begin with the Bosch and the wooden beam. As you can see, it's in the center of the floor tile. Stud mode is selected. And it begins to beep, let's say 10 centimeters before the stud. Now I think that the Bosch perfectly detects the center of the wooden beam. Let's see. Here we have some false positive. There's nothing beneath the tile, but the Bosch is continuing to beep. Okay, let's do the same exercise, but this time with the Parkside. Again, selecting stud mode. Both are giving some false positives, but I think that the Bosch is doing better identifying the center of the beam. Second test will be with the metal profile. Again, starting with the Bosch. Selecting metal. And again, I think it managed to perfectly find the center of the metal profile. Pretty good for the Bosch. Let's see the Parkside now. Selecting metal. You saw it, guys. Both multi-detectors started beeping far before the center of the metal profile, but the Bosch has a better visualization and a better way to understand when the center really is. So I can definitely say that in detecting metal, the Bosch is far better than the Parkside. Last test will be in detecting live wires, starting again with the Bosch. Once again, it perfectly detected the position of the wires. Let's try the same with the Parkside. Unfortunately, the Parkside is not reading anything here, but if I turn on the lights, If I switch them off, nothing. Again, the Bosch is far better in detecting live wires than the Parkside. In the end, I might say that if you want a real multi-detector that you can count on, buy yourself Bosch Professional GMS 120. The Parkside multi-detector is too unreliable and is giving too much false positives or too much false negatives. So that's all for this video. If you'd like it, thumbs up and subscribe.